Alright guys, let's roast some broccoli today. This is so easy and such a nice side, you know, for any meal. It can also be a meal if you want to eat light. We're gonna roast these with lemon and garlic and delicious. I'd like you to heat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 200 centigrade so that it's nice and hot by the time you're ready. And also if you haven't subbed, and you do, I would really appreciate it. And thank you for that. Don't forget to turn on the little bell so you know when there's new recipes. Let's roast these. I have like a medium head of broccoli that I just separated into florets. We're going to drizzle this with olive oil. Salt and pepper. Now with clean hands, we're just gonna rub it all in there so it all gets coated. You can do this inside a bowl if you want. We wanna make sure that we're not piling stuff on our, in our pan because we want this to roast. We don't want it to steam, okay? All right, I'll go wash my hands and we'll finish. So we're gonna slice some lemon into really thin and small pieces. I'm gonna say that, you know, this is what, half of it, that's plenty. Just make sure you take out the seeds. We're also gonna slice 2 garlic cloves, which are peeled really thinly. So as thin as you can, okay? So we're gonna zest this little bit of lemon. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of that juice. So yeah, notice that this is like 1/4 of my lemon, okay? So not too much lemon. Now we're going to scatter our garlic and our lemon slices around the pan. I love when the lemon roasts like this, it's so good. So we're gonna put this in the oven for between 15 and 20 minutes. I'm gonna check it at 15. If it's got nice little brown specks, it'll be done. Otherwise, I'll leave it an extra 5, okay? 15 minutes and this is ready, guys. I wanna show you those nice dark specks on it. It's hot. So let's taste this. Our broccoli is nice and cooked. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, yummy. We have the vibrance of the lemon in there with that broccoli that it's cooked but not like super mushy. It still has a little give to it, which is perfect. The caramelized or the, you know, charred little pieces, oh, those are the best. And that lemon, I don't know if you want to eat it or not, but I love eating it. So I got one there with broccoli, garlic, and lemon. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.